How's it guys? Welcome back to Nifty Media. Parts have arrived. Let me put them in. So you guys got the front lip, so let's open the canards. How's it guys? So we're opening the canards. As you guys all know, it's something that I've A45 canards. As I say, I've been looking for this for a while. Seeing that the A45 comes with the canard, I kind of needed it to make it a full A45. The canards are also one of the things that you first see when you realize it's an A45. It's one of the iconic features of A45 that makes it unique to what the A-Class looks like when it comes to the AMG package and the Aero package as they call it. It's funny how small these are. What they say, the smallest piece can make the biggest difference. And another thing guys, I got them in glass black. So they're not the same as this, which is more of a rougher feature. It's more shiny and glass like the lip. So as you guys can see, the 6-piece set. I've already got these 2 pieces because. So, in the unboxing and we've seen what the parts kind of look like, it's time to put them on. So I'm going to start with the front canards and then we'll follow on to the front lip. So check it out. So at the moment guys, I'm busy marking out where the canards must go. So at the moment I've just done a little tape up so that I can see kind of where I can measure, and now I'm going to mark off where the holes come so that I can drill. Okay, so as you can see, as you can see there, that is where the hole must go. So I'm just making little kind of marks so that when I take it off I know where to drill. front canard on, the big one, it's time to do the small one, and then we can carry on with the other side. So, okay, wait, let's put some of this at the back. Okay, now, let's see if we can get this at the right angle. Okay. That seems to be correct. What do you guys think? Slightly. Okay, let's me angle look like that. Okay, let me have a look. Just stuck it on just to test fit. What do you guys think so far? That's just the test fit, and now I'm gonna quickly do the holes and then drill it in. As you can see, I've mocked up the second one just with some tape once again. It's quite simple. It's quite these canards seem to fit where they want to fit, so it's not very difficult. They kind of know where they want to go. So I'm quickly just going to mock up the holes and then drill it, and then we're going to put the other side on. Can't wait, it's going to look so nifty. Guys, thanks so much for following the journey. Things are looking really great. Like, comment and subscribe, support the channel, and make things like this happen way more often just by liking and subscribing. That's going to make my channel grow. So yeah guys, keep the support up, and more things like this will happen in the future. Drilled the second set of 4 holes. We're now going to put the second one up. Okay, let's do this. Okay, the mock-up one is in. The other babies. If you guys would like to see a sneak preview of what the lip looks like, you guys can join me on this breakfast run over here. Well, not a breakfast run, it's more like a night run with Curfew Crew. Last time it was epic, so happy to see you guys there. Cheers, till next time.